Welcome to 01 Nexus, where we simplify technology and bring the future to your fingertips. From the latest innovations, AI breakthroughs, and digital trends, to how everyday tech actually works, we've got you covered. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just tech curious, you're in the right place. Cameras are everywhere, on our phones, laptops, drones, and even in cars. But have you ever wondered how digital cameras actually work? Today, we're breaking down the science and technology that turns light into the digital photos we capture every day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how pressing that shutter button creates an image. Photography has always been about one thing: capturing light. Traditional film cameras used a chemical-coated film that reacted to light. Digital cameras, on the other hand, use electronic sensors to do the same job. Think of your camera as a three-part system. The lens gathers and focuses light. The image sensor captures the light. The processor turns it into a digital image. The lens is your camera's eye. Light from the scene passes through the glass elements and gets focused onto the sensor. The aperture inside the lens controls how much light enters, similar to how the pupil in your eye expands or contracts. A smaller aperture means less light but more depth of field. A wider aperture allows more light but a blurrier background. This is the heart of every digital camera, the image sensor. It's made up of millions of tiny light-sensitive units called photosites or pixels. When light hits each pixel, it gets converted into an electrical signal. Since pixels can't detect color on their own, a filter known as the Bayer filter is placed over the sensor. It separates incoming light into red, green, and blue. The camera's processor then combines this information to create full-color images. So when you hear a camera has 24 megapixels, that means the sensor has 24 million of these light-capturing units. Once the sensor captures light and converts it to electrical signals, the analog-to-digital converter steps in. This turns those signals into digital data that a computer can understand. Then, the camera's processor, like Canon's Digic or Sony's Bionz, organizes the data into a complete image. The camera can save the image in formats like RAW, which preserves maximum detail, or JPEG, which compresses the file for smaller storage. To control how light reaches the sensor, cameras use a shutter. A fast shutter speed freezes motion, like a bird in flight, while a slow shutter speed captures motion blur, like flowing water. Exposure is the balance of three things: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Together, they control how bright or dark your photo will be. Modern cameras also have powerful autofocus systems that use sensors to detect contrast or phase differences, ensuring sharp subjects. Meanwhile, advanced processors handle noise reduction, white balance, and color correction, sometimes even before you see the picture on your screen. In fact, your smartphone uses AI algorithms to enhance photos instantly, brightening faces, sharpening details, and adjusting colors, so your pictures look amazing straight out of the camera. So to sum it up, light enters through the lens, hits the sensor, gets converted into digital data, and is processed into the images we see. It's a fascinating blend of optics, electronics, and computer processing, working together in a split second every time you click the shutter. Next time you take a photo, you'll know the amazing science behind it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explainers, and let me know in the comments what gadget you'd like me to break down next. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.